Hello, good morning students. In the last class we have learned about the multiplication by two numbers, two digit numbers, that is the above number also 2 or 3. Now the multiplying numbers are in 2 digits. Now today we are going to learn about the division. What is division? Division means we have to divide anything in a proper equal numbers, that is called division. Now in the last class we are learned about the one digit division numbers or two digit division numbers. Now we go for bigger numbers that are more than 2. Now we have to go solve the question exercise, that is 3.6. Through this exercise we are going to know about the divisions that are given in the textbook. Now first question is, look at the groups of objects and fill in the blanks. There is given 5 flower pots are given. In one flower pot there is 3 flowers. Now we have to solve the questions given below that figure. That is, first question is, how many flowers are there in all? There is one flower in one flower pot. There is one flower pot have 3 flowers, then and total flower pots are 5. Then we have to make it that 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Like this, in one flower pot we have 3 flowers and in 5 flower pots we have 15. Now the second question is, how many flowers are there in each pot? It means we have to say there is 3 flowers in each pot. Like this we have to solve the questions. Now in the same way we are move for second question, that is divide using repeated subtraction method. Divide using repeated subtraction method. Now what is that repeated subtraction method? Repeated subtraction method is a method in which we have to subtract the numbers repeatedly. That is, if we have 15, then minus 5, then it is 10, again 5, then if my 15 divided by 5, if we take 15 divided by 5, then it is 15 minus 10, then we get 10, then 10 minus 5 we get 5, then again minus 5 we get 0. Like this method calls repeated method, so repeated subtraction method. Now in this question we have that is 16 divided by 4. First question is 16 divided by 4. Then we have to write it as 16 minus 4. We get 12. Again 12 minus 4. We get 8. Again 8 minus 4. We get 4. Then lastly is 4 minus 4. We get 0. Like this we have to repeat the subtraction up to 0. When जहाँ तक हमें 0 ना मिल जाए तब तक हमें इसको रिपीट करके सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. Then look question number 3. Look at the number lines given below and fill in the blanks. एक नंबर लाइन दी हुई है जहां पर 0, 16, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. This is called number line. Here the dash is given that 16 is divided by 4. Then what is the answer? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have to put it as 4. This is the answer. Because 4 is divided 4 times to get 16. We have to divide 16 by 4. Then the answer will be, the quotient will be 4. Then move to question number 4. That is, write 2 division facts for each question number 4. Write 2 division facts for each of the following multiplication facts. Multiplication facts. Now, first question is 7 into 4 equals 28. 7 into 4 equals 28. Then we have to show the division facts. Now we have to make it write it in the division method. That is 28 divided by 4. Then we get 7. That is first fact. And second one is 28 divided by 7 equals 4. That is second fact. Like this we have to do the given sums. Now second one is 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6, then it is 9. Now 9 is the first fact. And 54 divided by 9 equals 6. That is second fact. We say that here for this 7 into 4 equals 28, that is first. Then 4 into 7, that is 28, it is second. Like this, here also we say that 6 into 9 equals 54, that is first, and 9 into 6 equals 54, that is second fact. Like this you have to solve the questions. Now question number 6. This is fifth one. Find the quotient when sixth one. Find the quotient. 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 Question number A. That is 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5. 40 in this question, 40 is divided by 5. In fifth table, when we get the 40, in fifth table we get 40 up to 8. That is 5 8 40. So 8 is the quotient. Or you may show it like this: 40 divided by 5. 5 8 40. Then this one is the quotient. Like this you can solve the questions. Now I again explain these questions. पहले हम बता देंगे write two division facts for each of the following multiplication methods. That is, इस क्वेश्चन में ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट में दिया हुआ है जिसे हमें डिवीजन फैक्ट में लिखना है और उसका फर्स्ट फैक्ट और सेकंड फैक्ट हमको बताना है. उसी तरीके से ये फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में देयर इज ए राइट गिवन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट एंड फॉलोइंग डिवीजन फैक्ट, वन इज डन फॉर यू. यहाँ पे डिवीजन फैक्ट में दिया हुआ है, इसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट में लिखना है जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लिखकर दिखाया है. Six into 9 equals 54, and once it is first, and 9 into 6 is equal to 54. It is second fact. That is second fact. Now sixth question, find the quotient. Quotient means उसका भाग डिवीजन करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है उसे हम बोलते हैं quotient. और अगर कुछ नीचे बच जाता है तो उसे हम बोलते हैं रिमाइंडर. So here we have to know that divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. That is, divisor is divided by dividend plus तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं 40 is divided by 5. Then to divide 40 we have to go for table 5th. That is 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Like this we go up to 8. There we get 40. Now we minus it and it is 0. The quotient will be, because we have to mention it as a quotient, because the question is given as find the quotient, means we have to prescribe the particularly about the quotient. We have to show the quotient number in the answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.